What's up, everybody, and welcome to Craftworks by G, where we do everything and anything and hope to inspire. Today, we're going to be making a P-rail so we can lock them grinds down. Let's go! Alright, so before we begin, if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, comment, and share the love. I have a 5-foot piece of PVC pipe that's 1.5 inches in diameter, and I'm cutting the wood to match the length. I'm only going to show me sawing this one piece of wood because, well, who wants to watch me saw for an hour? So repeat for the next piece of wood. Here you see me marking the center line. I'm also scribing on the end grain side, which will help me guide the drill holes on the other side. I'm just eyeballing the drill hole spacing about 5 inches or so. There's no need to be super exact. Now I place the rail plank in the middle and drilled it from the bottom outer holes and screwing it in place to hold the rail plank. Now I re-drilled the previous holes in order to penetrate into the rail plank. Afterwards, start putting the screws in. Now we put the PVC pipe on. Now same thing, drilling and screwing from the outside on both ends to hold it in place. Now take a large drill bit and drill into the top part of the pipe only. We will be drilling the screw hole on the bottom part of the pipe. You can put however many holes you want. I opted for 3. Alright, that's the P-rail, so that took about 30 minutes, 40 minutes, getting all the materials and my saw, and I hand sawed, so there's no excuse, so there's only one thing left to do. We gotta try it out. There we go. And as you can see, I'm not very good, but that's why we built this, so we can get better. Thank you for watching, and remember, it's never too late to learn and create. Peace!